The mighty Tuk Tuk, elegant, versatile and freaking loud. Today I will show you how you can learn to drive one of these things in a matter of minutes. Soon you'll be rattling around the streets of Sri Lanka or India like a pro. First, let's roll the intro. Okay, let's start by checking what's on the dashboard and the handlebars. This is the ignition switch. Turn the key clockwise 90 degrees till the green end lights up on the dash, meaning the vehicle is in neutral and ready to start. This is the accelerator handle. Turn it towards you to speed up. This is the clutch. The brake is down on the floor. This is the speedometer. The signal light switches here, left and right. Below that is the horn. Next to it we get the high beam and low beam headlight switch. High and low. So those are the basic controls you need to start driving this thing. To get going you need to turn the ignition key till you see the green neutral light turn on. Then press the red engine start button and keep it pressed for a second. Now the tuk-tuk is running in neutral. To start moving forward, simply rev up the accelerator very slightly while you squeeze the clutch and then put it in first gear, which is one notch below neutral. This can be a bit tricky till you get some practice as the notches are very close together. So the clutch handle has 6 notches altogether. At the very top is reverse. Next one down is neutral, and so on till you hit the lowest, which is the 4th gear, for when you're going really fast on long flat roads. To climb mountains, always use the 1st or 2nd gear. So now we're moving. When the speed is high enough, squeeze the clutch and put it into 2nd or 3rd gear, and then let go of the clutch. If the vehicle vibrates a lot, means you need to release the clutch slowly. When making turns, reduce speed by slowly kicking the brake and squeezing the clutch and lowering the accelerator. If you brake to a stop without squeezing the clutch, the engine will stall and you'll need to restart the engine using the method at the beginning of this tutorial. When stopping, make sure you go down to 1st or 2nd gear before hitting the brake. Then squeeze the clutch, brake to a stop, and pull up the clutch to neutral, and then release it. This will make the tuk-tuk stop while the engine is still running. When switching to neutral, it's easy to hit the reverse as well. If this happens, you will hear a beeping sound. Simply use gentle twist movements till you hit the neutral notch and the end lights up. So that's about it. It's not rocket science, but as usual you'll need a couple of days practice to perfect your driving. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.